These chocolate chip cookie dough snack bars come together super fast, and it's one snack my kids and I love. Hi, I'm Laura, and welcome back for a quick and easy snack. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a single recipe, because a new one is released every single week. On to these snack bars. They're a copycat recipe to some very popular store-bought ones. The thing is that their simple main ingredients of cashews and dates make it an excellent choice for snack. And as a mom to 3, keeping our pantry stocked is no easy task. So we start by lining a 9x9 pan with parchment papers. Next, in the bowl of the fruit processor, I'm going to pulse the cashew pieces and dates until they begin to form a paste. Then we add the vanilla extract and salt and continue to process until the mixture is a cohesive paste. I'm going to add in the chocolate chips and pulse to combine. Simple, right? So now I'm going to spread the mixture over the parchment paper. As you can see, my pan is bigger than the mixture, so all you have to do is fold the paper over and press it down until you have the thickness that you want, which is about 1/2 inch thick. So now that these are ready, I'm gonna refrigerate them for about 1 to 2 hours until they're firm. Now that these are firm, I'm gonna cut them into bars by picking up the parchment paper and placing it on a cutting board. You can cut them into squares or rectangles. They'll keep in your refrigerator for up to a week and in the freezer for up to a month. For the recipe, make sure you click on the link below this video. For more recipes like this one, browse our YouTube channel and subscribe. There's a new video every single week.